I wanna go home, Mommy.
You wanna go home? What? Ay, lumapit sa amin and sinabing it's illegal. We're waiting for Daddy because our drone got confiscated.
My big nose.
Yeah. Ganito pala ang cruise life. Tulog, kain, tambay.
And swimming.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary!
Happy pa.
Oo naman.
Anniversary.
Mag-slide daw si Toti. Napasubo na naman si Daddy na ito. Yan.
Guys, good morning. Nagcamping siya dyan sa baba. Ayaw niyang matulog sa taas. Kuya, good morning. Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
I wanna go home, Mommy.
You wanna go home? Why?
My head.
Your head hurts? Are you not happy here? Poor baby. After this, we're gonna go home na, huh? Love you.
Love you.
Good morning, family!
Good morning!
We just arrived dito sa Morton Island. Let's see kung ano ang nasa labas. Oh, it's not cold. Ah, beautiful.
Ito po muna ito.
Oh yeah, where is it? We're going to have breakfast. Let's go. Kain tayo ng breakfast. It's already 7:20 and tara. Hindi gumagalaw yung barko kaya I take advantage natin. We're not moving. Ay, hindi nyo dadalhin yung kalugong niya? Gusto mong dalhin yung kalugong mo? Ha? Ay, mong isuot? Aayusin ko yan. Ibababa ko. No? There. Oh, sayang naman. Hindi mo siya magagamit. Oh, is it a different size? Oh, yeah. Suot mo nga, kuya. Look here. Wow! Captain! Pogi, oh.
Gumanon nga si kay Kuya. Gumanon nga na lagi kahapon sa kanya.
Nagsalot.
yung private siya.
Come on. Toti. Ano sama?
Can you hold it for me?
Ha?
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
That is food or rice is life. Toti, kuya.
Yeah.
Kain tayo. Tilted
Eat.
kayo. Kain tayo. Kumuha na din ako.
Morning. Eat na. Eat.
Hello.
Thank you, Lord.
Oh, Mommy, we have the same.
Yeah. Yum.
Dad, get your egg.
Yeah, yeah.
Nabaliktad yung ano ko. I'm not gonna buy anything, Daddy. Don't worry.
Oh.
We're going to buy our souvenir. Ref magnet. I think this
Oh, it's
Going to buy ref magnet sa level 6. Na-explore na nila, Daddy, yun kahapon eh. Ako hindi pa ako nakapunta dun.
and
Look at this, baby. What's that? Dragon seed.
Yan, dragon seed. Sarap. Hindi mo nabuksan. Na-open na.
Yum.
Yan na.
Yan na. Let's go.
Oh, no video, no video. Tapos dito kami kumuha ng free.
Yeah, that's where the free pizza is. Yep. Sasakay tayo dyan papunta saan? I think I'm scared. I think I'm a bit scared.
I'm not. Wait,
You
it's
know?
Di ba, dyan tayo sasakay siguro papuntang Morton Island.
Tanong natin kasi 7 dapat mag-i-start.
This is well, the boat is there.
Oh, the boat is there. There you go. Finally. This. Be careful. Wait, what? We gonna board another ship? Out. Come on. We figured it out. Be careful. Morning.
Morning.
Oh, kuya. Dyan tayo sa loob.
Kayo, saan ba?
Kuya. Oo nga, sa loob tayo din. What? You're... Aw, you'll be alright.
Bakit?
No.
Bakit?
Don't think about it.
Bakit? Gusto mo sa labas? Tote? Relax
It's
lang,
just
relax lang.
just a quick one.
Malapit lang yan, dyan lang.
Yan, we're going na. They don't like it.
Pwede magkayak na
Just
ganyan,
gonna
kuya.
be quick, okay?
Ganda ng tubig, oh.
Look at the water.
Ano? Ang daming fish, oh.
I know, basta
Naku, hindi dala ni Daddy yung pang-fishing niya. Nice.
Kaya nga.
Ah,
Sure, bye.
Hi guys.
Ay, look, oh.
Basa yung tubig.
humigil ka. Ayan,
Ay,
gusto
yung
nilang
hinahanap mo,
mag-activity.
Toti, ay, kuya, oh.
Tingnan natin. Tingnan
Ayun, oh.
natin kung ano yung ma-activity natin ngayon.
Yan, oh, yung nakatayo kang naka-motor. Like that.
My face paint is sick today.
Ah,
In the front? In here?
okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
She's gonna do it.
You wanna have a look through
Ah,
the
design.
book?
Oh. Lang yan, ha?
She badly wants a tattoo. I thought pag 18 ka na. That's way too early now. It's alright. She badly wants a tattoo.
Dito na naman tayo sa Morton Island.
Andito na naman. First time natin dito.
Better?
Toti is having ice cream because ice cream is life.
And
Oh, dapat ganyan ang iniinom natin pala, no? Fizzy. Para
Oo,
hindi tayo
mahilo.
nahihilo.
Come on, come on.
And kuya,
Come on. Tingin tayo ng ano.
his favorite chicken, soy chicken. Let's go. Doon tayo. Palipad daw si daddy ng drone.
Try natin.
Hello, chicken! Ay, lumapit sa amin and sinabing it's illegal. Pero nakakuha na kami ng photo at saka video. And kuya will go sa Segway. Is it Segway?
Yep.
Yes. So magche-check-in lang sila dito.
Segway tour.
It's okay.
Parasailers, everyone here for parasailing, come follow me.
Daddy is, wow, 66.7. Gawin mo na.
6.7. How about you,
Kuya.
Will? Minsan mo nakuha na tayong helmet dun, oh.
So they have to
Yan.
wear helmet there.
Okay na yan? O yung medium? Small? Ha?
Okay.
Hi guys! Sasakay kami ng Segway ni Kuya Row. Ayun si Toti, oh. Hindi siya pwede. Kasi
line up for ano?
magaan siya.
Line up for
Four.
Kaya nagpicture lang
Segway?
siya. Ito yung sasakyan namin. Ito. Pila-pila yan, pila-pila.
for ano? Portugal. I'm gonna go over there.
Where?
Ganda nung ano dito, ng weather. Hindi siya mainit, hindi din siya malamig. At hindi din windy. Ewan ko, bakit parang ano, napaka-tropical feels, ganun. Tati! Naiiwan kasi eh. Tati! Naiiwan kaya gusto niya sanang mag-swim. Wala kaming dalang swim.
Mommy!
Yeah? Is having a tattoo.
Yeah, I'm gonna run now.
Toti,
Don't touch it. Fine. It's a lizard with H.
Hershey's
Hershey's.
And I think we have Hershey's
So that's what it means?
Why is he so fast?
Tsaka mukha niya. Hintay.
Patutong ko siya ng maliit lang. Kaya apuwang od. Yung tatlong dot sabi niya gusto niya.
Tatlong dati.
Hindi ako natutuwa. If you find it funny, I don't find it funny.
Chase, but mine's here.
Walk ko lang na parang ano lang kaya.
I don't wanna do that. I'm scared. Did I tell you na kahapon hindi kami masyadong nakalibot? Si Daddy ang nag-take over at nagpasyal sa mga kids kasi sobrang hilong-hilo talaga ako, guys. Parang akong buntis na naglilihi na nahihilo. Ganon yung feeling. But, kaya now that the ship is naka-steady, ayan, balik tayo doon. Kasi nakita naman na natin, nakapag-activity na sila. And,
Nakapagpatato na sila.
ayan, pakita mo yung tattoo mo. Cute.
Hershey's. New brand.
Hershey's lizard.
Hershey's
New design.
Lizard daw. Ayan. So, let's go.
Now we saw that we still had a lot of line sitting left, and decided that we could move that fishing line and the hook embedded to make sure that
Ang laki ng whale, oh.
since then,
That is not a whale.
attention from ourselves.
Naitor kayo sa Stockton na magsawa kayo ng
Mas madami tayong pelican na. Doon tayo sa taas.
Papunta na tayo dun sa Carnival Cruise natin. Pabalik na tayo.
I can see the slide.
Yeah.
The slide's over there.
We're waiting for Daddy because our drone got confiscated. Ang kulit kasi eh.
Pag-out daw natin sa terminal, bibigay daw to.
Wait lang. Dito na tayo. Sorry, excuse me. What happened? Ano to?
Ano, i-claim daw pag ano,
Saan i-claim?
dun sa terminal, pag-out daw, doon na lang daw ibibigay.
See? Let's go. Hindi nga kasi pwede. Bawal nga kasi de. Kaso talagang ipilit mo eh.
At least nakakuha tayo ng video doon.
Kung hindi nila i-delete. Oh,
Hindi nila mabubuksan.
it's closed.
Ha?
The other way. Kumakain na naman tayo. 'Di ba? Kain lang ng kain dito.
I have a big nose.
Yeah. Ganito pala ang cruise life. Tulog, kain, tambay.
And swimming.
Tignan nyo naman ito. Right lang.
Natin kumain ng madami na naman.
Dinner food. Oh my God.
Kuya, tikman mo. Ito. Fried seafoods.
Testing our limit. Grabe, busog na ako. Pero ayan. Nagde-dessert pa ako. Nagtimpla ko ng coffee. Pero nag-take na ako kanina ng aking tea.
Oh my God, I'm
Ng
full
aking
now.
specialty. Pero ayan. You're full.
Can you give me like the water?
Cold water? Okay. Ayan. And si Daddy, kumuha pa ng food. So yeah, ganito ang cruise line. Just eating and eating.
Don't say the ship is moving.
No, it's not moving. Pangalawa, napulong-pulo.
Nilusubuhan ko yung dalawa.
Sakto yung kanta, oh. It's gonna be a good life. A good life.
We have a
Pakita mo yung ginawa ni Kuya Vincent.
Oh.
It's so cute.
It's
It's
gonna
a
fall
dog.
The head's gonna fall off. I accidentally moved the head.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, oh,
Mag-ibis kami.
mommy.
Eh, oh, sorry.
Weird days to because masyado masigip yung
Okay. Magbibis kami kasi magsuswim. Can you close that door?
Yeah, and we are gonna
Magsuswimming kami.
And I'm gonna.
Doon tayo sa my private
Mommy, are you
pool.
gonna swim with us?
Yeah.
Just on the little one. Oh. Mommy, go on the little one because you don't know how to. So,
Nakasabit-sabit na naman eh.
Mommy, just like swim on like the little one.
No, we're going to the Byron pool. Let's see, where is it?
Let's go.
Wow! That's 60.
Kuya will gonna ask because Kuya is the brave soul.
I am too.
Of course, nawala tayo, di ba? Pero bumalik tayo di. Okay,
Sa
of
pinakataas
course.
ata
we're
yun, yung
lost.
pinuntan natin kuya, basketballan.
Pero paano ka nga aakyat?
Sa taas nun. Pinaglabasan natin yan, ganun yun.
Okay, this is getting like more confusing.
Yes, we're confused. We're walking everywhere.
Ibang side.
There you are.
Ay, ganyan yung parang doon.
We're here. Yan, let's go.
We're sitting right here.
Is it wet? No. Ah.
Captain.
Yeah, kuya. You want that, kuya?
Wanna go in first? You don't want me to go in the pool. Wanna go in first? Alright guys, let's swim.
Charis, let's sauna. Ay, hindi. Ano ba to? Anong tawag dito? Jacuzzi.
Oh hi.
So, this is the Byron Bay Club wherein part siya nung binook naming suite. Ayan. So, you have to have a wristband para makapasok ka dito. So, exclusive lang siya sa mga may Byron Bay suite. So, konti lang yung tao dito. Unlike sa family area kung saan parang public pool siya. But in here, ayan, konti lang. Parang nakikita ko lang 3 family yung This is jacuzzi at mainit siya.
Init.
Hindi ganito yung brand ng ginger beer eh.
May bang siya o 5 piraso. Chill lang. Best life.
Malilisan na naman yung mga karingking ng mga...
Pinapamigay niya sa'yo kasi bibili siya ng bago. Ay, di niyaw. Hindi to.
Passion fruit. Wala, ano, zero proof po yan. Oh, mocktail naman po yan.
Naku, thank you kuya. Thank you.
Mocktail pang bata. Ano pang bata yung mocktail?
Good?
Sisit tayo. Sisit tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy pa.
Oo naman.
Anniversary.
Anniversary. Love you. Guys, sisim tayo.
Sisit tayo.
2, 3, go. One, two, three, go. Tingnan natin.
Wait lang, nagano'n dito tayo. Nagano'n na.
Go.
I'm gonna go in the water with the camera now. I hope it's not cold. If it's cold, I'm just gonna go. You're gonna. Oh, it's cold. Let's like. I'm gonna show you my brother first. It's cold. I don't like that one. So let's just. I'm not. Me and my brother are here.
What is this on the ground?
Oh, what?
Is this the freezer?
Huh? Yeah. Did you do something with it? No.
I didn't stop it.
So, yeah. So my mom and dad are there.
How did try to cover every one of the things?
It's raining. It's all fine. Because we're on the water.
But you try to cover all of the things.
What? We can't. We need 3 people here. So yeah. Peace. Bye.
Hello! We're going up. Check natin yung view sa taas. Lamig. Putang ina. Ayan, ang ganda dito. Ito yung lounge.
Wow.
Open lounge ng Byron Bay
Mommy,
Club.
do you wanna like go on the top of the?
Walang masyadong maraming tao.
Dito tayo sa front pala.
Ha? Check natin. This is the front of the ship pala. Look at that. Oh, nice. So you can just tambay here pala, no? Pwede tayong magtambay dito, pero I feel like nakakahilo dito. Kasi harap talaga yan siya. Yan yung harap. Oh, this is nice. And then we can also access this one, no?
So, pwede mo isara dyan, no? Natulog ka dyan.
Uy. Ang nice naman. She wants to do the slide.
Dito mo na. Abot ka, abot.
Yeah. Go.
Go.
Ang ganda, kadwang. Ingkan, makipila ka. Hintayin ka namin dito. No. Wait, no one wants to do the slide. Only you.
Mag-slide daw si Toti. Napasubo na naman si daddy na ito. Yan.
Wait, can I like do
Yan.
only
Na.
one at a time?
One ride at a time.
Now this is getting like more.
Woo! Hey! Say hi. Excited? Nervous now?
Good.
Woo! Nah. Ah.
Don't go yet, don't go yet, don't go yet.
Easy lang muna. Sorry.
Wait, wait.
Wow. Oh, hey, Sophia! You're fast.
GoPro and mobile phone
Yeah, yeah.
are not allowed during the ride. So
Okay.
when you're going next, don't bring your GoPro.
Thank you.
Are you guys ready? Because we missed our elegant night last night, move natin siya today. Okay lang naman. Wala namang magjo-judge sa amin dito.
Sarap na yan.
Naku, 20 na yan.
Let's go. We're here. We found it. Yeah, waterfront dining.
Kala ko dun pa tayo sa may ano? Sa may ilaw nito? Kung siya pinuntahan natin kahapon yan eh.
Hindi, waterfront dining. Ano? Ito yun. Ito yung naka-book ngayon. Nagalit si daddy. Nakalimutan kong mag-video. Wow, doon tayo. Wow, ang ganda naman ng view. Good evening po. Wow, thank you po. Wow. Hanggang 5, ano nga yan? 5:30.
So guys, you need
Binabalik na nila yung ano. Kids or more than?
Vote na lang, Mar. Yes. And beverage po. Orders taken.
Yeah.
Yan.
Kinain nito team siya.
Ha?
Kinain nito.
Bakit dito?
what? That's
Akin yan.
Oh.
Kasi akala ko right.
Okay.
Manok.
Entrees here. May extra kaming salad, quesadilla, mozzarella stick, kay Toti. Oh my god. Munchies, chicken nuggets, and mac and cheese. Kain tayo.
Ayaw mo.
Ayaw niya na?
Sabi ko yung wasabi pangit lasa.
Sarap eh.
oh my gosh, so long.
Nahuli ka na naman.
My main looks yum. Pare-pares kami ng in-order.
Salmon po. Extra po yung salmon para ma-dry na.
Oh, thank you.
This for the table. You finish with this, Sophia? You will finish with this one.
Are you done?
You want to keep your fork?
Food looks yum.
Sabi mo naman yung sabi ng mga gagawin dun sa public way. I like the salad. I like the... What little bit way? Wala mo